Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We've been trying to get our pool ready for the summer and have been using this Clorox Pool Chlorine Stabilizer. So this is a really great product. This is a 4-pound bag, and this works by helping to stabilize the chlorine in your pool and not allowing it to just be quickly dissipated because of the sun's UV rays. So it's going to last a lot longer. So that helps you to keep your pool cleaner and more consistent and not have to constantly be adding more chemicals. We have a saltwater chlorinated above ground pool. So this just works really well to help reduce the impact of the sun. And our pool is also located in a very hot location in direct sunlight. So this is really a lifesaver. So they're basically little granules, and you very slowly add it to your pool's water and allow it to circulate. So if you're looking to more easily maintain the balance of your pool's water and help to protect against chlorine loss from the sun, then I would definitely recommend this Clorox Pool Chlorine Stabilizer. We've been really happy with it, and that's my point of view.